Oh God, the finds we've been finding today, absolutely epic. I was digging moo tube after moo tube after moo tube, and then I thought, oh, this signal sounds a little bit like a moo tube. And then, oh, it's getting a bit drafty. And then, oh, lovely medieval horse harness pendant. Would have gone on the side of the horse here, would have dangled. Ah, epic little find, absolutely epic. Oh, what did you like me top? Oh, that bit of me breakfast there, look. Beans on toast. Yeah, epic find that was. And then we're doing this bit of the field, and Matt puts in a couple of pegs, and I thought, well, he's put in a couple of pegs, there's bound to be something around it. So I had about 3 signals around it, and 2 of them were moo tubes, and one of them was a lovely Georgian coin with the date on it in 1700s. Lovely coin. And now he's just setting his detector back up. We're going to carry on detecting for a bit longer, but I thought I'd have this little chat with you because, you know, and then oh, I said, oh, that looks like a Coke can. I wasn't far off, but he's found a little Victorian or Georgian implement. You'll see later on the video. But yeah, what a day! Been really good fun, chatting amongst ourselves, like, you know, and having a bit of banter. And he's been dying to find a hammered coin, dying. And then I go and find stuff around his signals. Yeah. And I said to him, look, when you go metal detecting, if you find a signal and it sounds good, you just go around it, out, and, you know, round and wider out, and you'll find you might find some more. So, but he just dug the one signal and then wandered off somewhere else. So what you got to do is you got to find a signal and then ever expand in circles around it, just in case there's something else there. But yeah, I'm on the Spitfire. It's lovely ale. Oh yeah, taste of Englishness. 4.5% Shepherd Neame Brewery. Oh yeah, we've had a really good day, and we're going to come back here tomorrow and see if we can find some more epic relics. Oh, I've made a nice little bench. I got a bit of wood off the landowner, and I put 2 little piles of dirt up and a bench across, just so we could have a little chat. So you'll see at the end of the video, I'm sitting at one end, he's sitting at the other, or vice versa. No, I was sitting there and he's sitting here. So yeah, I'm gonna fire the CTX back up, and we're gonna see if we can find some more relics for the video. Cheers.